Good morning students. I welcome everyone for my video learning sessions. We all know that we have been discussing about matrices from past few sessions, right? So we have solved many type of problems, different types of matrices, what are the properties of matrices, what are the operations, everything we have seen. Also we have started exercise 3.1 3.2 in the previous class, right? So also we have solved 6 problems from that exercise 3.2. Okay, so let us continue with 7th one. Okay, and whatever homework I have given, I hope everyone got the answers for them, right? If ever you get any doubt in that, you can comment your doubt in the comment box, right? As soon as I get your comment, I will reply back. Okay, so let us continue with today's problem. That is, let us continue with 7th problem. Okay, so find x and y. This type of problem we have already solved. Okay, find x and y. Here x and y are matrices. Here what are x and y? X and y are matrices. So x plus y is given, that is 7025, and x minus y is given as 3003. Okay, so let us mark x plus y as equation 1 and x minus y as equation 2. Okay, fine. So 1 plus 2, what are you going to get? If you add equation 1 and equation 2, so what are you going to get? Here x plus x will be 2x, y minus y will be 0. On the LHS part, when you add two equations, what do you get? You need to add both the LHS. So x plus x is 2x, I have written it. Y minus y will be 0. So what remains on the LHS part? Only 2x. And RHS, this is x plus y equation and this is x minus y part. So both will be added. So 7 plus 3, 10. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. And 5 plus 3 is 8. So if you add equation 1 and equation 2, on the LHS side you will get 2x. On the RHS side you will get 10, 0, 2, 8. A matrix with entries as 10, 0, 2, 8. Fine. So now, what is this? 2x is equal to 10, 0, 2, 8. What do we need? We need x. We have 2x, we need x. So if you shift 2 on the other side, what will be the value of x? X I can write it as 1 upon 2 into 10, 0, 2, 8. Okay. 2x is equal to 10, 0, 2, 8. X will be 1 upon 2 into 10, 0, 2, 8. Now what is this? This is a scalar operation. Scalar multiplication of matrices. Right? 1 upon 2 is a scalar. When you take that 1 upon 2 inside, it gets multiplied to each and every element. So each and every element here gets multiplied by 1 upon 2, or in simple words, each and every element gets divided by 2. Each and every element will get divided by 2. So if I take 1 upon 2 inside, what I will get? 10 becomes 10 upon 2, 0 becomes 0 upon 2, 2 becomes 2 upon 2, 8 becomes 8 upon 2. So our x will be 10 upon 2, 0 by 2, 2 by 2 and 8 by 2. Now what is 10 by 2? That is 5. What is 0 by 2? That is 0. And what is 2 by 2? 1. We have here. What is 8 by 2? That is nothing but 4. Right? So what is the value of x we got? 5014. The value of x is what? 5014. Now we got the value of x, we need the value of y. There are, as in previous problem I have said in previous session, same problem when we came across, when we were solving about examples, I have said two methods can be applied to find y when x plus y and x minus y are given. Right? One is, we know the value of x, substitute in any equation, get the value for y. Or to get the value of x, what we have done? We have added two equations. Now if you subtract 1 and 2, 1 minus 2, then what happens? You will get the value of y. X gets cancelled and you will get the value for y. When we were solving similar problem in example, I have made use of equation 1, right? And substituted the value of x and got the value for y. So now the other method is adding both the equations, subtracting both the equations, so you will get that method I will show here. Okay. 1 minus 2, equation 1 minus equation 2. Equation 1 minus equation 2 is x plus y minus of x minus y. Plus x minus x will cancel. Y minus of minus y, you will get 2y. X and x cancels. Y minus of minus y is nothing but 2y. So 2y will be equal to x plus y matrix minus x minus y matrix. 7025 minus 3003. Now if I subtract, what will I get? 7 minus 3 is 4. 0 minus 0, it is 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. So what is 2y matrix? 4022. Now what will be y? Y is 1 upon 2 into 4022. Shifting this to on the other side. Shifting this to on the other side, it becomes 1 upon 2, 4022. When I take 1 upon 2 inside, each and every element, for each and every element it gets multiplied or gets divided by 2. It will be 4 by 2, 0 by 2, 2 by 2 and 2 by 2. So what will be the value? 4 by 2 is 2, 0 by 2 is 0, 2 by 2 is 1. So you get 2011. Right? This is how we need to find x and y. So here remember, x and y are matrices. If they are out of matrix, then x and y or any unknown, any variable will be counted as matrix. If the unknowns or variables are there inside the matrix, right, unknowns are there inside the matrix, then you can consider that as part of the element of any matrix. Okay, fine. Now here also we need to find x and y, but here what they have given, 2x plus 3y they have given and 3x plus 2y. Here also x and y are matrices because x and y are out of matrix. So they are matrices. So 2x plus 3y is given, 3x plus 2y is given. We need to solve, let us mark this as equation 1 and let us mark this as equation 2. We need to solve equation 1 and 2. Then only we will get the value of x and y. So if I want to get rid of x here, what should I do? Multiply 3 to equation 1. If I multiply 3 to equation 1, what happens this one? To this we will get 6x. And multiply 2 to equation 2. So if I multiply 2 here, what I will get? 6x. Here multiplying 3 will give me 6x. Here multiplying 2 will give me 6x. So if I take the difference, I will get rid of x. Right? So what is the operation here? 3 into equation 1 minus 2 into equation 2. Whatever number I have mentioned in the circle, right? That is nothing but we have to consider that as equation 1. Right? That is the pattern what I am following. Whatever numbers I will mention inside the circle, right, or the numbers rounded off will be considered as equation. That will refer to the equation. Right? So 1 inside the circle refers to first equation. 3 is multiplier. 3 into equation 1 minus 2 into equation 2. So if I multiply 3 to equation 1, so what I will get? 3 into equation 1 minus 2 into what is equation 2? 3x plus 2y. That will be equal to, what will be in the RHS part? 3 into equation 1. 3 into 2340 minus 2 into what is equation 2? 2 minus 2 minus 1, 5. Okay. Now what is 3 into 2x? 6x. 3 into 3y? 9y. Minus 2 into 3x? Minus 6x. Minus 2 into 2y? Minus 4y. That will be equal to, take 3 inside, this matrix becomes 6, 9, 12, 0. Because each and every element will get multiplied by 3. Minus, if I take 2 inside, 4 minus 2, 10. Okay, this will be the RHS part. Now here I am having plus 6x, here I am having minus 6x. Cancel them. So what will remain? 9y minus 4y. What is 9y minus 4y? 5y will be equal to, what will be this one? 6 minus 4, 2. 9 minus of minus 4. 9 minus of minus 4 is what? 9 plus 4, 13. 12 minus of minus 2 is 12 plus 2. That is 14. Right? 0 minus 10. Right? So 0 minus 10. This should be minus 10. Sorry. You make just make a note of this. This should be minus 10. 0 minus 10 is minus 10. Okay? Fine. So 5y is this value. What will be y? Shift 5 on the other side. 1 upon 5, 2, 13, 14, minus 10. Okay. So this is the value of y. Now y, we have scalar multiplication of 1 upon 5. Take that 1 upon 5 inside. What becomes? What happens to y? Y will be equal to 2 into 1 upon 5. 2 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5, minus 10 by 5. Okay. So value of y is what? 2 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5, minus 10 by 5. Can we simplify 2 by 5? No. So keep it as it is. Why 2 by 5? 13 by 5 also should be kept as it is. 14 by 5 also need to be kept as it is. But what is 10 by 5? That is 2. So minus 10 by 5 is minus 2. So this is the value of y. Okay. So we got the value of y. We need to get the value for x. So you can apply any method as we said there. Right. You can apply this type of operation and get rid of y. Then get the value of x. Or use this in any equation. Use the value of y in any equation. You will get the value of x. In previous problem we have operated once again for equation 1 and 2 and got the value for y. Here what we will do? We will substitute back in the equation. Value of y will substitute in any one of the equation and we will get the value of x. So equation 1. What is equation 1? 2x plus 3y is equal to 23403. 2x plus 3y is 23403. Now what is 2x? 23403 minus 3y. Shift this 3y on the other side. What happens? 2x will be 23403 minus 3y. Okay. Now 23403 as 40 as it is minus. We have the value for y. So substitute it here. Minus 3 into what is the value of y? 2 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5 minus 2. That is the value of y. Okay. So we have substituted. We got both the matrices here. Now, what remains on the LHS part? There is only 2x. 2x will be equal to 2340 as it is. Take this 3 inside. What will be the value of 3 if you take inside? 3 into 2 by 5. That is 6 by 5. 3 into 13 by 5. That is 39 by 5. 3 into 14 by 5. That is 42 by 5. 3 into minus 2. That is minus 6. Multiplying 3 to each and every element. When 3 goes inside, it gets multiplied with each and every element. When 3 gets multiplied with 2 by 5, it becomes 6 by 5. When 3 multiplies with 13 by 5, it becomes 39 by 5. When 3 is multiplied by 14 by 5, it becomes 42 by 5. When 3 is multiplied to minus 2, it becomes minus 6. So what is the value we will get here? 4 by 5, sorry, 6 by 5, 39 by 5, 42 by 5, minus 6. So now we have two matrices and we should take the difference. If we take the difference, what we will get? We will get 2x because 2x is difference of these two matrices. So when we take difference, we need to consider the corresponding elements. What is corresponding element of 2 in this matrix? It is 6 by 5. So 2 minus 6 by 5 is 4 by 5. If you take LCM there, if you subtract 2 and 6 by 5, you will get the value as 4 by 5. 3 minus 39 by 5. It will give you 24 by 5. Minus 24 by 5. 3 minus 39 by 5 will fetch you a value of minus 24 by 5. 4 minus 42 by 5 will give you a value of minus 22 by 5. 4 minus 42 by 5 will give you the value of minus 22 by 5. And 0 minus of minus 6. 0 minus of minus 6 is nothing but plus 6. Is that clear? So 2x is what? 4 by 5, 24 by 5, minus 24 by 5, minus 22 by 5 and 6. So we got the value of 2x. How to get the value of x here? Take 2 on the other side. X will be equal to 1 upon 2 into this matrix. 4 by 5, minus 24 by 5, minus 22 by 5 and 6. Is that clear? Fine. So we get the value of this one. We need exact value. 1 upon 2 is there, that should be taken inside. If you take inside, it will get multiplied with each and every element, or each and every element will get divided by 2. So when 1 upon 2 is inside, what happens to 4 by 5? It becomes 2 by 5. What happens to 24 by 5? It becomes 12 by 5. What happens to 22 by 5? It becomes 11 by 5. What happens to 6? It becomes 3. Right? So this is how we will get the value of x. If you operate the equations, then also you will get the value of x. As we eliminated y and got the value of x. Similarly, you can eliminate x and also get the value of y, as we have done in this first session, right? First part. Okay. So I hope the things are clear here. So you pause this video and take the notes down. Okay. Okay friends, I hope you have taken down all the things which were there in the previous slide. So we will proceed with the next problem. Okay. So here we need to find the value of x. What is given? y is given and 2x plus y is given. Need to find the value of x where y is given and 2x plus y is given. Once again here x and y are matrices because they are out of the matrix, right? And generally the matrices are denoted by capital letters. So x and y are matrices. We need to find those matrices. So what is given to us? 2x plus y is equal to 1, 0, minus 3 and 2. So from this what can I write? 2x as 1, 0, minus 3, 2 minus of y. Shift this y on the other side. What happens? Minus y. 2x will be equal to this value. Right? Y is also given. Y is known to us. So substitute the value here. Keep this as it is. Substitute the value of y here. Okay. Now what is 2x? It is the difference of two matrices. Take the difference. 1 minus 3. What do you get? Minus 2. 0 minus 2. What do you get? Minus 2. Minus 3 minus 1. That is nothing but minus 4. 2 minus 4. That is nothing but minus 2. Okay. So the value of 2x is what? Minus 2, minus 2, minus 4 and minus 2. But what we need? We need the value of x. So simple thing. Shift the 2x on the other side. What happens? X will be equal to 1 upon 2 into minus 2, minus 2, minus 4, minus 2. The same matrix. Right? So 1 upon 2 taken inside. What happens? X will be equal to minus 2 by 2, minus 2 by 2, minus 4 by 2, minus 2 by 2. Each and every element gets divided by 2. The what will be value of x? Minus 2 by 2 is minus 1, minus 1, minus 4 by 2 is minus 2, and minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. This is nothing but the value of x. This is the required value of x. That is x matrix. Okay, this is how we need to find. Coming to ninth problem. I hope that one is clear. We'll proceed to ninth problem. What is given here? Find x and y. Here carefully observe. X and y are the elements inside the matrices. So here x and y are not the matrix. They are elements inside the matrices. And also x and y are given by small letters. They are given by small letters. So we have to consider them as elements inside the matrix. They are not the separate matrices. So we need to find the value. That will be the numbers. We need to find the value of those matrices. Okay. What is given equation? 2 into 130x plus y012 will be equal to 5618. Okay. Fine. So if I multiply 2 inside, I will get 2 into 1, 2 into 3, 2 into 0, 2 into x. 2 multiplied to this, 2 into 1, 2 into 3, 2 into 0, 2 into x. And y012 as it is. And here 5618 as it is. We have just simplified this first part of the LHS. Right? What is 2 into 1? That is 2. 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 0 is 0. 2 into x is 2x. Fine. Y012 5618 as it is. Now LHS is addition of two matrices. What is LHS? Addition of two matrices. So add the corresponding element. 2 plus y. Here you will get 6 plus 0. This will be 0 plus 1. And this will be 2x plus 2. So what we got? 2 plus y, 6 plus 0, 0 plus 1 and 2x plus 8. Sorry, 2x plus 2. And this RHS part as it is. Right? So now we have some equation. We have some equation here. LHS is equal to RHS. When two matrices are equal, what will be the condition? Their corresponding elements will also be equal. When their corresponding elements are equal, then only the matrices are considered as equal matrices. As we got two matrices and connected by equal symbol, we can equate their corresponding elements. So 2 plus y, its corresponding element is 5. Right? So 2 plus y is 5. Don't worry about 6 plus 0, there is nothing but 6. 6 will be equal to 6, you will not get any variable out of that. You will not be in a position to calculate x and y here. So don't equate that. Right? But you should be clear that if you get these also as equal, then only your calculations are correct. For example, what I got here, 6 plus 0. What I will get in this position, 6. It should be equal to its corresponding element. Here also we have 6. So it is correct. Coming to this one, 0 plus 1. What is the value here? 1. What is its corresponding element? It is also 1. Then only it is correct. Even though we are not equating them, but they should have equal values. Then only your calculations is correct. If they are not having equal value, if they are having differing values, then somewhere you have gone wrong. You should go through it. Okay, fine. So now we don't have any work with 6 and 1. So let us equate only 2 plus y and 2x plus 2. 2 plus y should be equated to 5. So 2 plus y is equal to 5. Mark it as equation 1. 2x plus 2 should be equated to 8. So 2x plus 2 is equal to 8. Mark it as equation 2. So from 1 you can calculate the value of y. 2 plus y is equal to 5. What will be y? 5 minus 2, that is y is equal to 3. Shifting 2 on the other side. If you shift 2 on the other side, you will get the value of y. Similarly, 2x plus 2 is equal to 8 from equation 2. So shift this 2 on the other side. What will be 2x? 2x will be equal to 8 minus 2. So 2x is equal to what? 6. So what will be the value of x? 3. That is 2 shifted on the other side, it becomes 6 divided by 2. So the value of x will be equal to 3. So is that clear? Okay. This is how we need to find the value of x and y. So pause this video once again and take these notes down. Okay. Okay students, I hope you have taken down the previous problem. So let's proceed to next question. Right, what is there in the next question? Solve the equation for x, y, z and t. If 2 into some 2 cross 2 matrix is given, 3 into 2 cross 2 matrix is given, 3 into 3 cross 2 cross 2 matrix is given. So some equation in the form of matrix is given, or matrix 2 cross 2 matrix is arranged in some form and it is given here. We need to find the value of x, y, z as well as t. Here what are x, y, z and t? They are variables, they are constants, or they are elements inside the matrices. Okay, they are unknowns or elements inside the matrices. We need to find them. Okay. So how to solve this? Simple way, as we have done till now. This thing I have reproduced here. 2 into x, 2x, 2 into z, 2z, 2 into y, 2y, 2 into t, 2t. Because scalar multiplication, 2 gets multiplied with each and every element inside the matrix. So 2 into this matrix will give me 2x, 2z, 2y and 2t. Similarly, 3 into this matrix will give me 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, 3 into 0 is 0, 3 into 2 is 6. So 3 into this matrix will fetch me 3, minus 3, 0 and 6. That will be equal to, what is this one? 3 into 3, 9, 3 into 5, 15, 3 into 4, 12, 3 into 6, 18. Right? So if I multiply 3 to this matrix, I will get 9, 15, 12 and 18. Right? So this is an equation in the form of matrix. Right? So what is there on LHS part? Sum of two matrices. On LHS part we are having sum of two matrices. That is equal to sum matrix on the RHS part. So when we have sum of two matrix, we need to add them. How to add? Add the corresponding elements, as we all know. 2x corresponding element is 3. 2x plus 3 is, write it as it is, 2x plus 3. This will be 2z minus 3. This will be 2y plus 0. And this will be 2t plus 6. So addition of two matrices will give me 2x plus 3, 2z minus 3, 2y plus 0 and 2t plus 6. And that will be equal to this same matrix 9, 15, 12 and 18. Now 2x plus 3 as it is, 2z minus 3 as it is. What is 2y plus 0? That is 2y. And 2t plus 6, write it as it is. That will be equal to, once again, the same matrix 9, 15, 12 and 18. Now we have one matrix on LHS side and other matrix on RHS side connected by equality symbol. That means both the matrices are equal. So what is the condition for both the matrices to be equal? Their corresponding elements should be equal. So when the corresponding elements are equal, then only we know that matrices will be equal. So as the matrices are equal, their corresponding elements should be equal. So equate the corresponding elements. So 2x plus 3, what is its corresponding element? 9 on RHS side. So 2x plus 3 will be equal to 9. Shift this 3 on other side. So 2x plus 3 will become 9 minus 3. 2x plus 3 will become what? 9 minus 3. So 2x will be equal to what? 2x will become 9 minus 3. 3 shifted on the other side. So what will be 2x? 9 minus 3 is 6. So 2x will be equal to 6. What is x? That is 3. Similarly 2z minus 3. What is its corresponding element? 15. So I can write 2z minus 3 as equal to 15. 2z minus 3 is equal to 15. Shifting 3 on the other side, it becomes plus 3. So 2z will be equal to 15 plus 3. 2z will be equal to 15 plus 3. So what is 15 plus 3? 18. That is 2z is equal to 18. So z will be equal to 9. When 2z is 18, z is 9. Right? Similarly, 2y. What is its corresponding element? 12. 2y is equal to 12. That means y is equal to 12 by 2. That is y is equal to 6. And lastly, 2t plus 6. What is its corresponding element? 18. So 2t plus 6 is equal to 18. So shift this 6 on the other side. 2t will be equal to 18 minus 6. So 2t will be equal to, what is 18 minus 6? That is 12. So 2t will be equal to 12. When 2t is equal to 12, what is t? That is 6. So we got the value of x, y, z and 9. What is x? 3, y is 6, z is 9 and t is 6. So these are the values of this of x, y, z and t from this given equation. Okay, I hope this problem is very much clear. We'll proceed to next one. Right. Similarly, we have an equation here. How we have solved in the same way you need to solve. Here also you need to find the value of x and y. Once again I state here x and y are what? They are not different from, they are not away from the matrices. They are the elements of the matrices. Okay. You need to find the value of x and y. You need to find the values for x and y. So multiply x inside, then you will get the value. You will get one matrix here. Multiplying y, you will get one more matrix. Right. So we need to find the value of x and y by equating the given matrices. Here also same thing. Multiply 3 inside, then equate it, then add these two things. So you will get one matrix on the left hand side and another matrix on the right hand side. Equate the corresponding values, then you will get the value for x, y and z, x, y, z and w. Here you need to find only x and y. Here you need to find x, y, z and w. So try this at home and comment your answers in the comment box. If ever you get any doubt, that also you can comment me. I'll get back to you. Okay. So fine. You pause this video here and take these notes down. Okay friends, then I hope you have taken down the previous problem. Also I have given the homework in the previous slide. So try it out. If you are not getting, you can comment your answers there, right, or whatever difficulties you are having. So with that thing, let's move on to the next problem. That is 13th one. So here f of x is given. This is a little bit different problem. Just you pay attention here. F of x. What do you mean by f of x? F denotes the function. Right? F is the function of x. Alright? Given by cos x minus sin x 0, sin x, cos x 0, 0, 0, 1. Right? So it is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So this matrix is a function of x. Is a function of x. Right? So whatever functions comes here, they will be in terms of x only. Whatever function will come, they will be in terms of x. You can see cos and sin, all are in terms of x. Right? So what we need to find here, or what we need to prove here is f of x into f of y is equal to f of x plus y. F of x into f of y is equal to f of x plus y. But how come we are going to prove that without the value of f of y, without the value of f of x plus y? Out of this entire equation, we are only aware of f of x. We don't know what is f of y. We don't know what is f of x plus y. Then how to prove this result? When we don't know the variables, when we don't know the elements of the equation, how do we prove that equation? Right? To prove it, it is very important that we should know f of y, f of x plus y. Then how to calculate f of y? How to calculate f of x plus y? So those two values can be calculated with the help of f of x. Right? If f of x is this matrix, which is function of x, then f of y also will be a similar matrix, right, in terms of functions of y. F of x is a matrix, right, in terms of x, then f of y will be similar matrix, similar to this matrix in terms of y. So what will be there in f of y? Here in f of x, a11 is what? Cos x. In f of y, a11 will be cos y. a12 here is minus sin x, there a12 will be minus sin y. So you can see here, this is f of x, so f of y will be, here cos x is there, a11, there a11 is cos y. a12 here is minus sin x, there a12 is minus sin y. Only wherever x are there, there y will be coming. Wherever x are there, there y will be coming in f of y. So 0 as it is, sin x, this x will be replaced by y, sin y. Cos x, there you will have cos y, and remaining elements will be same. Wherever x are there, wherever x is there, there the value will be replaced with y. If you want to calculate for f of y, right? So we got f of y. Let's calculate the LHS part, right? F of x into f of y, f of x into f of y. Okay. So multiplication of matrices. Row should be multiplied with each column. Each row should be multiplied with each column. So first row with first column, cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y plus 0 into 0. Cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y plus 0 into 0. So you will get this value. Then first row with second column, cos x into minus sin y, that is minus cos x sin y. Okay, cos x into minus sin y is minus cos x sin y. Minus sin x into cos y, that will be minus sin x cos y. Right, minus x sin x into cos y is minus sin x cos y. Plus 0 into 0, 0. Next, first row with third column, cos x into 0, 0, 0, minus sin x into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0. Sum of everything will be 0. Okay. Now first row is finished. Coming to second row. Second row with first column. Sin x into cos y. Sin x into cos y. Plus cos x into sin y. Cos x into sin y. Plus 0 into 0. That is 0. Right. Now second row with second column. Sin x into minus sin y. That can be written as minus sin x sin y. Sin x into minus sin y can be written as minus sin x sin y. Then cos x into cos y. That is plus cos x cos y. Cos x into cos y can be written as cos x cos y. Plus 0 into 1 is 0 into 0 is 0. Right. Now second row with second column is finished. Second row with third column. Sin x into 0, 0. Plus cos x into 0, 0. Plus 0 into 1, 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. So you get 0 here. Right. So coming to third row. Third row with first column. 0 into cos y is, we can write 0 into cos y plus 0 into sin y plus 1 into 0. There is nothing but 0. Once again I repeat. 0 into cos y plus 0 into sin y plus 1 into 0. That is 0. Next, third row with second column. 0 into minus sin y plus 0 into cos y plus 1 into 0. Right? Similarly, second row with third column. 0 into 0 is 0 plus 0 into 0 is 0 plus 1 into 1 is 1. So what do you get here? 1. 0 plus 0 plus 1, that is 1. Right? So this is how we need to multiply these two matrices. I hope that thing is clear. So slowly whatever we have done for multiplication of matrices, same method follows, but here trigonometric functions are there. So here also same method follows, but you should go carefully. If you proceed slowly step by step, right, so you will definitely come to this value. Okay. Now simplifying this step, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, 0 will be neglected. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. It is of the form cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. What is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b? It is cos of a plus b. Right? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b is cos of a plus b. So here cos x cos y minus sin x sin y can be written as cos of x plus y. Okay. Similarly, if I take minus out, what I will get? I can write this as minus outside minus can be taken inside and entire thing can be made positive, right? So now it is of the form sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. What is that? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. It is sin of A plus B. So minus as it is, sin x cos Y plus cos x sin Y is sin of x plus Y. Okay. Once again I have kept them as it is, right? So you should not get confused when you are going through the calculation process, right? So I can take the minus outside, so it will be sin of x plus y, 0 as it is. Once again, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B is sin of A plus B, that is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y is sin of x plus y. Now cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, as we have taken here, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B was cos of A plus B. So cos x cos y minus sin x sin y is what? Cos of x plus y. So that is written as cos of x plus y. 0 as it is. So 0 into cos y, 0. 0 into sin y, 0. So entire thing becomes 0 here. Here also this entire thing becomes 0. So I kept 0 as it is and this one as it is. So this is how the equation, this is how the equation will turn, right? I hope the things are clear. Mark this as equation 1. Now we got the value of LHS, that is what? Cos of x plus y minus sin of x plus y 0, sin of x plus y, cos of x plus y 0, 0, 0 and 1. This is the product of f of x into f of y. Now what is RHS? Right? F of x plus y. See, when we calculated f of y, what we did? Wherever x is there, everywhere we have substituted y. And we got the value of f of y. If we need to calculate f of x plus y, what should we do? Wherever x you are having, everywhere you substitute x plus y. Okay? Wherever you are having x, you substitute x plus y. If you substitute x plus y, you will get f of x plus y. If you substitute y, you will get f of y. If you substitute any other variable, you will get the function in terms of that particular variable. Because general function is given here, f of x. If you want f of y, wherever x is there, you substitute y. If you want f of x plus y, wherever x plus y is there, you substitute, wherever x is there, you substitute it with x plus y. So now I need x plus y, that is f of x plus y. So in this f of x equation, wherever x is there, I will substitute with x plus y. So cos x becomes cos of x plus y, sin x becomes sin of x plus y, 0 as it is. Here sin of x plus y, cos of x plus y 0 and everything else will remain same. Now mark this as equation 2. Equation 1 is the product of f of x and f of y, that is LHS part. Equation 2 is your RHS. So you can observe from equation 1 and 2, you can observe both are same. There is no change in equation 1 and equation 2. Right? With that we can conclude that f of x into f of y is equal to f of x plus y. I hope this thing is clear. So this problem is little bit different. So kindly go through it very slowly. Right? So especially this multiplication process. Right? Especially this step should be very careful. Whatever you have done, whatever procedure you have done with the numbers, same procedure should be applied here. Right? That is the only thing, you should be very careful. Once you get this matrix, apply the trigonometrical identities, then you will get the values. Okay? This was about the problem here, which is little bit different. So you should be very careful. Okay? So I hope the things are very much clear. We have gone very slowly. So if you get any doubt, you can, as usual, you can comment me in the comment box. I will get back to you. Okay? So coming to 14th. 14th problem is as similar as we have done previously. Right? So A into B is always not equal to B into A, right? For in general, for any multiplication of matrices, A into B will not be equal to B into A. That is what we need to do here. Product of two matrices, we are having LHS as product of two matrices. In RHS also we are having product of two matrices. We should prove that this product is not equal to this product. So first what we should do is calculate LHS part separately, mark that as equation 1. Calculate RHS part separately, mark it as equation 2. Then you check with the equations 1 and 2. If they are not similar, if they are not equal, then this condition will be proved. If they are equal, then condition will not be proved. But we need to prove it as not equal. Definitely they will not be equal. If at all you find that they are equal, then you have gone through some steps where whatever you have done, you should go through that. Okay. So same matrices are arranged at reverse. So A into B should not be equal to B into A. That is general property of matrix multiplication. Here also same thing. Product of two matrices. LHS two product are there. RHS also we having two product. Both should not be equal. So you go through that. You solve it. If you are not getting, you comment me back. Okay. Okay. So whatever problems are given, you try them. Right, and comment your answers in the comment box. So with this we'll stop this session here, and from in the next session we'll continue with the 15th problem. Okay, so we'll stop here. Thank you.